Myself, Dr. Nityanand Agasti. I am presently working in Ramdas College as an assistant professor in chemistry. As far as human being is concerned, wildlife is a very much integrated part of it. Without wildlife, I must say, human being cannot survive. And particularly if we focus on elephant, and that too in Indian context, this is not only linked to only their forest living, but also they are very much part of our human society. Starting from our ancient days, where we used to use elephants were used for transportation, as sometimes they have been used also as domestic animals, and that they are a very much integrated part of a family of our Indian society. And if you start from cultural angle, the symbol, the Lord Ganesh, who is a Lord of knowledge and wisdom, it is considered that since his face is a head of an elephant. If you go for warfare, in history also in Mahabharata, it is very popular, the Asathama, elephant was used as in warfare, in Mahabharata war, and in tourism. Now if you see in many tourism places in India, where we go and get a ride of elephant, we are very anxious to get a ride of an elephant. So second thing, keeping this importance of elephant in view, if you see in present context, elephants are considered to be an endangered species. Like for our human benefit or welfare, we keep on destroying jungles, which is the habitat for this bigger animal, which is the biggest animal in this earth. And of course an animal, but a vegetarian animal. Now my message should be, always, of course I understand in the globalization era we have our requirements, we have to fulfill those. But keeping those, while fulfilling our requirements, we have to keep life of these kind of species in view also. We should not endanger, we should not put lives of elephants in danger so that we can lose. It should not be the situation 10 years down the line. We should not lose. These species should not be an endangered species, which is very popular. If you go to any market, like in Delhi, if you are sitting in capital, hopefully in Delhi heart, you will be finding elephants. So it should not be like a situation where our next generation will go only to zoo and to see an animal like elephant. So the second thing, the prime responsibility goes to the present generation, the youth. They can take a front step in protecting these animals, and that too, especially these elephants.